Doungel no ya sports kung gigon na kay ma chief guest alinga an say chun kata kon be na hina ni thumzen kada ay mga itilian loham kasi palang sa kon an ball manuin ay nalok sa akin binda hizong le jokes apart ngay luna ni ko heti tilang sangin kagilain lam kayo sa situation sa kan ko here kay mahi ipsa ka hipot sa kipatlam na inкадимен because if I have to consider all those people who are seated here, I think I'm the least qualified one. And luga agelle no hitan ge chongju thildang na hipoye chief guest ani ga pansa kidime kipatlam na inкадимен ipi ka se ri hom ka pon hizole kasi ba no lungai lazala neko hizalin ke jong ki pa thinom na hai lazala ke on he Hiltam pi, singing kageli ni zong party kaga gele, party on kama ma sing winsia, tengah jeng ni kan sing hi. Tuni ho team hele ignite the spirit of brotherhood through sports in. I want to be a little inclusive and I want to ignite the spirit of brotherhood and sisterhood through sports. Numeho, because being a woman, sometimes I feel left out. And as I guessed at the theme, I had some problems. So I just want to feel myself included. And that's why I want to say ignite the spirit of brotherhood and sisterhood through sports. Chichu kan say masahin. Anila to kan say nom to as the theme suggests, ignite the spirit of brotherhood and sisterhood through sports. Let us try to play the remaining game in the spirit of true sportsmanship and fair play. As well as let us take this time to build closer relationships. Kung sot ta akitilen, hasot ta ikimuto ko win, abang kado, it is a dam tuni, miyang kata mga ikimumin, natatak na umizengin, abang kado, it is a dam, it's like meeting for the first time, and nostalgia, it is a dam, kalungang mahalin. I think some I'm meeting after 1 year, some after almost like 6 months and so on. So ahin, ani na akan sa atung jan na akan sa nom sa hile, kung kondo, di ko kon sa karay kaloy pa, kakolin, ipi kasi di ham kati kaloy pa he, hiji message ahin bolin, and I just thought of sharing this with all of you. He said, as you go and stand there, please tell all of the people who had done, who are in the program that to be successful in life is important. I repeat, to be successful in life is important. More important than that is to be a good and truthful person. Jihi, please communicate it to our brother Like I said, everyone can be successful, but there are few people who are really good human and who are really good persons. And during this time of pandemic, I think we need good human more than any other time. So I just wanted to encourage all of us. Let us be a little compassionate. If you have something, try to share with your neighbor, and let us just try to have this feeling of community as let us try to build this communion among indigenous so that we will be known as a sharing community.